Hi everyone, I am Felicia Fox. Welcome to my channel, Food with Felicia Fox. Today is day 32 of the carnivore diet. This is very exciting. So I'm gonna do 90 days carnivore and 90 days vegan. And we're just gonna see how I do on either diet. So far on the carnivore diet, I feel pretty darn good. Um, the first month was a little hardcore, but as I'm progressing within this lifestyle, it seems to be going pretty good. The biggest benefit so far is my mood, right? Um, yeah, and I'd give anything to, you know, do this like 10 years ago, because yeah, it's really benefiting me. Anyone that's considering, synthetic happy pills, maybe you want to consider the carnivore diet. I think it has a lot to do with the fat that's within the diet, because it's so nourishing. It helps your hormones. When I'm upping my fat, I think that's the key. I think that really is the key. My body's still adjusting to, what's best in terms of the ratio of protein to fat, I think. I'm still trying to figure that out. And that's cool. I think that's why you need 90 days at minimum to figure that kind of stuff out. So I'm tracking that progress within the carnivore diet. I'm taking notes and obviously doing a daily vlog on it. I'm in a baseball diamond, walking around. I feel like I'm hitting a home run. That's why I'm hanging out in a baseball diamond. I'm hitting a home run in life here. So that's amazing. I, going back to was it yesterday that I had the doctor's appointment? I decided not to tell her that I was on the carnivore diet on purpose because I don't need anybody's opinion on that, especially a medical professional. She's a wonderful woman, but I just didn't tell her. I'm just going to go ahead and get the standard blood work and see how that comes out. There was a situation a few months ago where I thought I had my dream job. It was with a charity. It was teaching people how to cook. That's a dream job for me. But I walked away from it. I didn't just walk away from it. I lit a match, poured gasoline on it, threw the match on it, and blew it up, that connection. Have you ever done that? Where you blow it up so bad you can't go backwards? I blew it up because part of their mandate was to follow the Canada Food Guide. I think the Canada Food Guide is horseshit. And part of their mandate was to follow the Canada Food Guide and the Dietitians Association of Canada in order to get funding. And I was supposed to follow the Canada Food Guide when I taught people how to cook. And then I'm grocery shopping with the employees there, and they're making me buy things like margarine because we're under a mandate of the Canadian government. You can see why I blew that bridge up, hey? So I walked away even though I needed the job. I don't regret it. So yeah, so follow your own sovereignty, folks. your own gut instincts. I think that's the best. Even in the face of struggle. Do you see the beautiful sunset? This is the Saskatchewan prairies sunset right now. They call this the land of the living skies. As you can see why. The sky is alive. I'm getting eaten by mosquitoes, so I'm gonna let y'all go. So, happy day 32. I'm feeling good. How are you? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow.